Here we have a problem that states a 75 milliliter solution of HCl with an unknown concentration is titrated to the equivalence point with 27.3 milliliters of a 0.157 molar solution of calcium hydroxide. What was the concentration of HCl in the original solution? From this problem, we know that a solution of HCl has a volume of 75 milliliters, but we do not know the concentration. We also know that a solution of calcium hydroxide has a volume of 27.3 milliliters and a concentration of 0.157 moles per liter. We are trying to find the concentration of the original HCl solution. The first step to solving this problem is to write out the balanced chemical equation, as you can see here. The next step would be to draw out a diagram. In the calcium hydroxide solution, calcium hydroxide is a strong base, making it a strong electrolyte, which means that it dissociates in water. You can also write that it has a volume of 27.3 milliliters and a concentration of 0.157 moles per liter. In the HCl solution, HCl is a strong base, making it a strong electrolyte, which means that it dissociates in water. You can also write that it has a volume of 75 milliliters and an unknown concentration. For the calcium hydroxide solution, we know the volume and the concentration, so we can use the equation volume times concentration equals moles to find the moles of calcium hydroxide, which is 0.00429 moles. We're trying to find the concentration of the original HCl solution. To solve the equation, we need to find the moles of HCl. We're going to do that by using the moles of calcium hydroxide that reacted with it. The moles of calcium hydroxide are connected to the moles of HCl through the mole ratio in the balanced chemical equation. As you can see, for every 1 mole of calcium hydroxide, there are 2 moles of HCl. So to find the moles of HCl, we are going to take the 0.00429 moles of calcium hydroxide and multiply them by the mole ratio, which will give us 0.00857 moles of HCl. To find concentration, we will use the equation concentration equals moles over volume. We will plug in our numbers of 0.00857 moles of HCl over the volume, which is 0.075 liters. This gives us a concentration of 0.114 moles per liter of HCl. The biggest common mistake in titration problems is that people try to use the equation M1V1 equals M2V2. This equation does not work because we are going from one compound to another. They are not the same. You have to use stoichiometry in order to solve this type of problem.